Hi, I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a raw spinach salad. Now, as far as I'm concerned, a raw spinach salad is the only kind of spinach salad that's really worth making because it's so easy to overcook spinach. Even if you wilt it, it's good in other dishes, but it doesn't hold up quite so well in a salad. So I'm going to start with some raw spinach leaves. I'm going to make a simple dressing for them. I'm going to use just some red wine vinegar and some olive oil and some salt and some pepper. Mix that up together. And first I'm going to coat the spinach leaves. Toss them up with a pair of tongs. It's a great tool to use when tossing spinach. Just lets you to really work it in. Now I'm going to put a whole bunch of different raw vegetables on top of the spinach. Here I have some chopped cucumber. I'm just going to layer these on. Some chopped cucumber. Have some sliced carrot. I have some chopped sweet bell pepper, and I have some green onions, or scallions. Got those on top. And then I'm going to drizzle just a little more dressing on top to make those tasty as well. And there you have a raw spinach salad.